guys, welcome back with Anisha. I'm back again with yet another what I had today for my breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, everything. So let's quickly go ahead and see. We started with our day with some vermicelli upma. So let's quickly go ahead and check the recipe. So for vermicelli upma, in a pan I heated 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 potato and 3 green chili. I let the potato half cook and fry really well, and meanwhile I was getting ready with all the vegetables, and this is 3 cups of boiled vermicelli. Once the potato was half done, I added 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 capsicum and 1/4 cup of frozen green peas. Mix well, and it doesn't take too much time. It hardly will take 4 to 5 minutes. And I added half a teaspoon of salt, turmeric and some chili powder. Mix well so that everything combines well. And I forgot about some sweet corns. It is frozen. I added that as well and mixed well. I would like to keep the freshness of the vegetables and little crunchy. And meanwhile my mom is cleaning all the roasted peanuts. We added some vermicelli and mixed well, and before serving we added the roasted peanuts and some pomegranates. I had with some cold coffee and it was delicious. Do try this recipe, okay, and let me know in the comments below. Now that you know my mom is here, so she was making some mutton curry. I love her mutton curry, and we usually pair with some ghee rice. So in the other stove, I asked her what she was making. So she was making some suji papad. It's quick and simple. However, I usually don't make it because it's too taxing for me. So she's making that. If in case you want to know how you make homemade suji papad, do let me know in the comments. I will let you know. My father is vegetarian, so for him, Mama is making some potato egg curry. And in the other stove, our mutton is stewing, and that's it, guys. So after some time I noticed my mom was outside, so I went to check on her. So she was making the papad like this. I don't know how to describe it. So she was just putting the papad in a plain sheet. It's a plastic sheet, no oil, nothing. So meanwhile she's doing that, I thought of helping her and thought of making some quick ghee rice. Like I said, we love her mutton curry with ghee rice. So I thought of making some green peas ghee rice. So for that, in a pan I heated 2 tablespoons of oil. In goes 1 cumin seed, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Mix well. Once it's nice and fragrant, I added 3 cups of rice. And in that goes half a cup of frozen green peas. Mix well, and I added 3 cups of water and some salt to taste and let it cook. It took almost, I guess, 10 to 12 minutes. So our mutton is ready, our rice is ready. So let's go and have delicious lunch. So I cut some onion and my plate is here. It was delicious, guys. If in case you want to know how my mom makes mutton curry, do let me know. After that amazing lunch, I just went outside to see how many papad I have. It looks quite a bit, but trust me guys, once it's dried, it reduces a lot. So for snack, I had some apple, and for dinner we had some normal paratha with achar. So this was what I ate in a day, guys. If in case you like this video, please do give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, comments below, and of course, see you soon.